This video shows the full process of connecting to a controller, running a heat cycle, and then generating a report from it. Enter the controller address and click Connect and wait for the data to load from the controller. Next, I open the channel settings. Make sure preheat is chosen and then enter the running parameters. I give a name to the channel to know what I am heating. I click the test button to turn on the output and ensure everything is connected correctly. I click Start to begin the cycle. I notice I entered an incorrect ramp rate, so I open the channel settings and changed the ramp rate. Now that it is running, I name the cycle to recall it when generating the report. I open the large chart to watch the cycle progress. Let's speed this up to watch the result of the workpiece warming up. Now that the heat cycle is done, I can click Stop to finish the cycle. I then click on the Report button to generate a report. Now, I make sure the correct controller is selected along with the correct channels and cycle. I then enter the project and chart title to describe the chart. Then, also the project-specific data. I insert additional notes here. I toggle the set point line on and off to see if I want to keep it. Next, I click on the Make Report button and select where to save it to. And that's it. The cycle is done and I have a report to give to quality control. Thank you for watching. Please check out the rest of the video tutorials on how to use the user-friendly HeatView software, or go to heatview.ca and click on the Contact Us button if you need any more support.